Volvo 210 B models, 2005, 4,400 hours. Good looking conversion. All the upgrades on the undercarriage. Oh, I'd say them tracks are worn out. Yikes. Them yoke sliders on the idlers are popping out of the end of the track frames. Need time to take a link out. I don't know, for 4,400 hours they shouldn't be too stretched. I don't know. I don't believe these hour meters half the time. The custom cab, bush cab, all the Lexan, half-inch Lexan glass. Solid door, probably weighs 200 pounds. It's all custom. I don't think there's anywhere in the world, I'm just gonna go off on that, except for BC, where they take an excavator, rip it right apart, rebuild it so it's tough enough to withstand what goes on around here. These are really strong cabs. Basically, like, workers' compensation approved instead of building guarding on them. So the half-inch glass has such a strength factor that counts as guarding, and then the metal bars behind it also do. Standard Volvo. I'm gonna say the meter says 45, but that doesn't look like a factory meter. That looks like one from the auto parts store. I know someone that has a Volvo 210, and at 680 some hours his meter crapped out, so he put a brand new one in, so his hours aren't accurate either. So, nice machine, but I'd just assume it's got 10,000 hours on it if I was gonna buy it. Boom guard so nothing jams into the hard lines. That's hard guarding around the side, front, battery box. The posts so no logs swing into it. And the custom built guarding. This isn't the tin, this is all it's all heavy plate. Massive heavy hinges, 3/4 inch. And they still get popped. Yeah. No matter how hard they build stuff around here, some logger will still find a way to find a weakness in it.